Hello, are you here for an Uber?
Yeah.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. What's your name?
Angelina. Hi.
Angelina. Oh, hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. You're going pretty far, huh?
Yeah. It's quite a distance.
Yeah, how's your day going?
Pretty good. What about you?
I'm okay. I'm good. Just working, you know, trying to make money.
Been driving all day or what?
So yeah, since 5 a.m. Really?
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I'm trying to pay my car payment.
How much is your, oh, this car?
Yeah.
I like it. How much is your car payment?
That's personal business, but
It's not that personal.
It's a lot. Basically, I gotta drive almost every day to cover the payment, but it's worth it, you know. People like it. People leave me good tips. Yeah. So, what do you got planned for the day?
Just going to my boyfriend's house, and then we're gonna go.
Oh, you have a boyfriend?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Are you guys like serious, or is it just like a joke?
No, we're pretty serious.
Does he care if you hang out with other guys?
It just depends on the situation.
Oh, that's weird. He should let you like just hang out with guys and stuff.
I don't know. Maybe you, but maybe not. I don't know.
Oh,
We'll
really?
have to see.
Okay, yeah, we'll see. Well, I mean,
Where are you from?
I'm from Turkey.
Turkey?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's like not on this world. Like that's a different planet.
Well, I was born. I mean, it is on this planet, but yeah. Like it actually is on planet Earth.
I know.
But yeah, and then I grew up here in Southern California, by the beach, you know. Yeah, are you a surfer? You look like a surfer. Let me guess, you're from the valley. You're like a valley girl?
Oh my god, I am from the valley.
No.
How would you know that?
Okay, you're being kind of loud, but yeah, just.
Okay, kind of rude.
Are you seatbelt on?
No.
Oh, you gotta safety first. So just wear your seatbelt. Yeah, sorry about that.
Yeah.
Gotta follow the rules, you know. Too many accidents in general, like driving is sometimes dangerous.
Only if you make it dangerous.
You like to drive fast?
Only sometimes when I know there's no risk, you know, like.
Yeah. Got a pretty long ride today, huh?
No, literally, it's been so long. And it's literally gonna cost me a bag. Like, I'm gonna spend a whole bag on this ride.
Yeah, I mean, that's what you kind of get though, but yeah.
That's not even funny because I literally have to get a fill and I'm gonna spend all my money on this stupid ride.
On lip fillers?
A fill for my nails.
I got a pretty long ride here for like another, 45 minutes?
Oh my god, that's literally killing me. And my bag. Like, I need to get my nails done.
So what do you mean, you can't afford the ride or what?
No, it's fine.
You better not report me on this ride because I need 5 stars.
No, like, I'm gonna pay for it, just take me.
Hey, what did you just do back there?
Nothing.
You just canceled the ride?
No.
It literally says Uber passenger cancels ride.
No, I didn't.
Let me see your phone.
No.
Give me your phone.
No.
I'm gonna pull over right here.
No, please just, no.
I'm gonna drop you off.
No, can you just take me, actually?
I'm kicking you out of my ride because you're trying to scam me for a free ride. I understand what you're
not.
doing. Let me see your phone.
No.
Show me your phone.
No.
Okay, well, you need to get out then. Or you can order another Uber.
I'm not.
You want me to drive you to the police station?
No,
I'll take you there right now.
Take me to my destination.
You're trying to scam me for a free ride, you scammer.
Nobody's scamming you.
Can you just get out?
Can you take
You
me
look
to my...
so guilty, like just get out.
Can you take me in my destination?
No, this is not a charity case. I don't do
like
free rides.
It's like 20 seconds away, sir.
It's like 45 minutes.
No, it's...
I don't even have the
tripping.
address
You're
anymore.
tripping.
I don't even have the address because you quit the ride.
No, I didn't.
Can you get out, please?
I'll give you the address.
Just get out.
Are you kidding?
Yeah, you can go find a gas station.
You're literally
You can
kidding.
find a payphone or something. I don't know. Go order a new, I don't know, order a taxi or whatever. But you're going to get banned from Uber. I'm going to call them right now.
No, you're not.
Just get out. Get out of the ride.
You are. Like, you're not going to take me?
No, get out. Get out of my car. Leave.
Bruh, like...
You want me to remove you? Get out.
I dare you, bruh. I literally dare you. And your car is locked.
Get out. Get out. There you go.
I'm rating you a -2.
You're banned from Uber for life.
Boy.
Scammers, I swear. Every time.